Peace, good people. Welcome to the Worm Farm. Today we're exploring the issues that we're having with our bigger bins. We just moved into a new location and the worms are escaping. Those are the ones I found dry, crusty on the floor. The white that you see on the top is just their dry feed. So today I'm going to spend some time with the worms, water things down really well, give them some fresh foods, scraps, because it's been a minute since they've had fresh food. So we're going to give that to them. Like I said, water things down really well and make sure that we cover their kitchen scraps up so we don't get pests and things like that trying to intermingle with our beautiful worm farm. So I'm also going to spend some time fluffing the bins just to help aerate things, to get fresh air to the worms and to the microbes that are living in the bin. Ooh, beautiful castings, but it's a little dry for what I like for them to live in. So like I said, I'm going to feed them, hit it with that eggshell powder, and then water the bins down really, really well, just to get the moisture level up to what I like for them to live in. The only thing that has kind of shifted in their environment is the temperature. It's a little bit colder than what they're used to. But it is winter and I like to simulate nature as much as possible. So I'm going to keep you guys posted and we'll check in tomorrow.